Good evening, everyone. This is Asif, and you're listening to Hello Educator. Today's episode is from Mango Science Radio, and you will be listening a story from Satyashree. The story is titled "Sow Now, Reap Later."
Hi, you're listening to Satyashree. I am here to narrate a story on Doomsday Seed Vault. Shh, close your eyes. The 99942 Apophis asteroid, an asteroid of diameter of 370 meters, is going to hit Earth in another 5 minutes. This is your last 5 minutes in this resourceful planet called Earth. Is your heartbeat racing and your entire self in a state of panic? If yes, relax. Believe me, I am not narrating any science fiction story, but this may happen any day in the near or far future. Imagine our planet Earth being hit by a massive asteroid and all the resources on the planet being destroyed. Only a bunch of people and few animals survives the catastrophe, and congrats, you are one among them. Feeling fortunate? But wait. What will you do in a world without any source of food? The stored reserve or animal food could make you survive only for a couple of months. After that, what are you going to do for your survival and your fellow beings' survival, who are the last rays of hope for the species, the Homo sapiens? If your mind winged with an idea of growing food for survival, that's great. Yet, what will you do for the seeds? You have land, people, water, but no seeds. What could save you now? Give a thought. I know you have never thought of these tiny seeds to be game changers at times of disasters. I hope now you understood the significance of seeds in human civilization and existence. So, seeds are the ultimate hope for life. Are you wondering what are the steps taken by the world authorities to preserve such life-changing seeds? The scientists of the world have realized its importance much ahead and came up with a solution, that is, the Doomsday Seed Vault. So, what is this Doomsday Seed Vault and how could it ensure our species' survival? Deep in an icy mountain on an island above the Arctic Circle, between Norway and the North Pole, lies a resource of vital importance for the future of humankind, that is the Svalbard Global Seed Vault. It is not coal, oil, or precious minerals, but it contains seeds and seeds. Millions of these brown tiny specks from more than 930,000 varieties of food crops are stored in the Global Seed Vault on Spitsbergen. It is essentially a huge safety deposit box holding the world's largest collection of agricultural biodiversity. Who started it? Carrie Fowler, in association with Consultative Group on International Agricultural Research, started the vault to preserve a wide variety of plant seeds. What is the history behind it? The Svalbard Global Seed Vault was officially opened on 26 February 2008, although the first seeds arrived in January 2008. Wondering why it is in Norway and not in world superpowers like America, China, Japan, or Germany? Answer is simple. Nature's laws are different. The seed bank is 120 meters inside a sandstone mountain on Spitsbergen Island and employs robust security systems. Spitsbergen was considered ideal because it lacked tectonic activities and had permafrost which aids preservation. This site, being 130 meters above sea level, will keep the site dry even if ice caps melt. Locally mined coal provides power for refrigeration units that further cool the seeds to the internationally recommended standard of minus 18 degrees Celsius. Also, if the equipment fails, it is estimated to take 2 centuries to warm to 0 degrees Celsius. Also, the seeds are packed in special 3-ply foil pockets and heat sealed to exclude the moisture. The seeds are extremely safe in the seed vault. Wondering about funding? The Norwegian government entirely funded the vault, approximately 45 million crores. Storing seeds in the vault is free to the end users. Norway and the Crop Trust pay for the operational cost. Also, thanks to Bill Gates, Syngenta and other organizations for funding. What is inside the vault? The seeds lying in the deep freeze of the vault include wild and old varieties, many of which are not in general use anymore, and many don't exist outside of seed collections they came from. But the genetic diversity contained in the vault could provide the DNA traits needed to develop new strains for whatever challenges the world or the particular region will face in the future. So, inside this seed vault building is 13,000 years of agricultural history. Wondering how to deposit seeds in Global Seed Vault? Here is the process. Depositing and storing seeds in the seed vault, including handling of boxes, is free of charge. However, the depositor must cover the flight charges to Svalbard. The handling process carried out by the seed bank comprised security scanning of all the seed boxes and packages in the ordinary security system in airport and labeling of all the boxes with institute codes, box numbers and shelf location. When the boxes are well in place in the seed vault, the depositor institute receives an email or an SMS confirming that the seeds are well in place, and the seed portal webpage is updated with the correct number of seeds, crops and depositing institutes. Anyone can send seeds to the Global Seed Vault, even you. The only criteria is the seeds should possess a clearly defined identity. Before I end today's story, let me share the most interesting part of it. In an age of heightened geopolitical tensions and uncertainty, the Svalbard Seed Vault is an unusual and hopeful exercise in international cooperation for the good of humanity. Any organization or country can send seeds to it, and there are no restrictions because of politics. Red wooden boxes from North Korea sit alongside the black boxes from US. Boxes of seeds from Ukraine sit beside Russian boxes. The seeds don't care that they are from North Korea or from South Korea. They are cold and safe up here, and that's all that really matters. So, seeds break barriers and source unity in humanity. With all the united efforts made, we could gift our future generation with seeds of home love. Let's keep exploring the seeds of knowledge. Do Google photos and videos of Global Seed Vault. That's it for today. Until we meet again, keep wondering.
We sincerely hope that you really like this episode. We upload one science story every day, and if you are a science enthusiast and you would like to contribute to Mango Science Radio, please WhatsApp us at 99522435541. And you can also share your feedback, via an audio message or WhatsApp. That would really be helpful. Thank you again. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Educator. I will see you tomorrow.